Hi everyone, this is Aral from English for Everyone, and today in this video we're going to talk about get to the point and the usage. Get to the point is a kind of expression, let's say saying, expression that is used when someone is not, let's say the person is not specific and talks about different things and doesn't make the central point clear. That is when we ask someone to be specific, to talk about the main idea, main thing, and not the things around it. For example, when someone is wasting time, actually, someone is giving more lots of details and introductions and would not open the door to the main thing, main idea behind that. And in the previous video we talked about to beat around the bush. Okay, sometimes people beat around the bush, waste time, and do not go to the point. They do not talk about the main thing, so they waste time, and idiomatically we say beating around the bush. So sometimes we want to ask people to stop that, to come back to the main thing, to the main point, and talk about that and not waste time. That is when we use this, get to the point. Because of get, this is used as the verb, and the whole thing is used as the verb, and mainly is because it is the starts with the verb, is kind of ordering or commanding or asking someone to do something. So that is mainly used for second person, I mean for you, or if it contains me as well, then that is used for we, and we say let's get to the point, means you and I. Sometimes we just use get to the point, and that is you, okay, you singular or plural. So the same thing from the previous lesson and previous video. Don't beat around the bush, which means don't waste time, don't go around the topic, and then we just add the other bit, get to the point. So that's the first thing we're asking the person, don't beat around the bush, and this is the second thing we're asking, what not to do and what to do. They are exactly two different ways, two different directions. One is to waste time and the other one is not to waste time. So if the person is wasting time, we say don't do that, and then we say that again in a different way. Sometimes we meet someone and we're there to talk about somebody, for example a student. Okay, we're meeting someone for example parents of the student, and we, instead of talking about the student, we say, oh, what a good weather, and we talk about the carnival, the festival, and the bank holiday coming, and lots of other things, and we waste time, and none of us is willing to talk about the main thing. Okay, so if someone is in that position and gets tired of seeing this happening, can say get to the point, okay, or let's get to the point, or you get to the point, stop that. Okay, so that means talk about the main thing, talk about what you are here for. The other person, the other example is, will you please get to the point? That's the same thing. Okay, so it's like asking someone get to the point. That's a bit, it's some pressure, but when we use will and please, then that makes it a bit mild and a bit more polite. Will you please get to the point? Okay, or will you kindly get to the point? We can use get to the point. So that is also asking someone to talk about the main thing and not waste time. That's the same thing again. And over here, let's get to the point and agree on a price. Yeah, that is when I is also included in this command or this order or whatever we call it. So I am asking people, including myself, to do something. Imagine we want to sell a car, for example, and we're around a table having a cup of tea and deciding on the price. Some bargain and other things going on, and then we just go off the topic and talk about the news and lots of other things, and this is postponed. The price is postponed. We do not agree on the price, and instead of just talking about it, we prefer to talk about other things, get each other's attention, show how good we are, and then talk about the price again. So one might get tired of this situation and say, let's get to the point and agree on a price. Let's find a price and we agree on that. Okay? So, and it can be anything. It can be anything that we have postponed or is the main thing and we're not paying attention to. Then, when we want to invite people, ask people to pay attention to the main thing, say, let's get to the point. Okay? It can be used as a singular, as a separate or independent sentence. Get to the point. You get to the point. Okay? So this was my bit. You might have the same thing in your language or something like that, something that means the same thing. If you could write it below this video, comment it below the video, that would be great. And I'll learn something new. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye!